I do want to say that this is a very, very worrying case. I think it's our human instinct really to want to mind and to guard and protect a child, and I'm really, really conscious that at the heart of this is a child, and I want to say that that child is very much in my thoughts, and like the rest of the country, I think in our thoughts and indeed in our heart. But I'm also very conscious that there is a Garda investigation. This is a matter that is now before the courts too, so I am limited really in what I can say. But what I can say in relation to the case is that I have directed the National Review Panel that they would immediately begin a piece of work, an investigation into this case, and that they would make whatever necessary findings or recommendations that they deem fit. And I've asked them that they would do that as a matter of urgency, and I want to acknowledge that they have agreed to do that.
Minister Foley, how can you have any trust in Tusla? This is one of just the latest events that we've seen, including them. How could you have any trust in them, and would you like to see them abolished and start all over again?
Look, I would have to say to you that in the care of the state there are more than 5,800 children in the care of Tusla, the Child and Family Agency. And I want to acknowledge that they do great work. We don't hear in the main of all of those 5,800 plus cases, but we do hear where there are specific instances where we must investigate, where we need to examine very closely what has occurred in specific instances, and that's what we are doing when those instances arrive, and I think that's important. But I think it's important to acknowledge that the vast majority of cases that are in the care of Tusla, more than 5,800 as I've said, we don't hear of those. You know, there's very good work being done in many of those cases, but where instances arise, it is important that we take stock, that we do the examination, and you know, that we are not found wanting in looking at each individual case.